guys, आज हम करेंगे forward swizzles and backward swizzles. Usually these are in the first part of the test. तो actually ये quite easy है. I think आप कर पाएंगे. चलो देखिए. सबसे पहले आप V shape में start करेंगे with your feet, like a ballet first position. आप अपने legs को side में push करेंगे and you're going to meet the toe picks, the toe part together at the end. ऐसे first you start with the heels together, push out, then you're gonna have your toes come together. ऐसे करेंगे आप, then you come back to the V, press out, and meet the toes again like this. Start in your V shape first position, heels first, out with the feet, and the toes meet. So you have to have control so you don't go right back and get stuck in the middle. Want to push your feet out to the side, meet the toes, switch straight back to the heels. One more time. Outside में जाएंगे, meet the toes, heels पे click कीजिए. Again, out, toes, heels. Same thing करेंगे आप when you go backwards. In this one, you're going to start with your toes in first, like an opposite V. आप push करेंगे पीछे. And then the heels meet. Just don't go so much that you fall on the ground. So you're gonna go toes again, back to the heels, switch back to toes. You want to lean forward in this position because अगर आप पड़ जाएंगे, you don't want to fall back. आप चाहते हैं कि you fall forward. And that's how you're gonna go forward and backward with your swizzles. आप make sure कीजिए कि जब आप पढ़ते हैं तो आप आगे पढ़ते हैं. पीछे नहीं. That's super important. And sometimes you get stuck in the middle. If you do get stuck in the middle like this, just walk your feet back in so you don't go all the way down into the splits. No splits today. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया for watching the forward and backward swizzles. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or something that you tried out, please comment कीजिए in the comment section below. Thank you.